Well, we had 40-mile-an-hour gusts last night, and this, yeah, somewhere between devastation and depression. But here's the lesson in it, guys. Yeah, that right there, that's why you don't use nails for header panels. Those should have been lag bolted. And it shouldn't have been over the top of the siding either, but it is what it is. We're gonna have a fun weekend. I guess I should be grateful that right there is the only contact. Get in there with. Doesn't even look like it really dented it in much, but yeah. Interesting. Alright, well, somehow I get to dismantle this thing and try and rebuild it. Joy. Okay, so it's not a tornado, but we have debris. Hopefully the cows are still in the field.